Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this today's tutorial we are going to know how to use a JHS POWERBAR compose wrapper tool, guys. Okay, so this wrapper tool gonna help you to replace your existing model to new one within a click, guys. Okay, so this is a very useful plugin, so you must have in your list. If you don't have this plugin, you can download through the link in the description, guys. So let's start. So guys, you have to remember that all the model must be in a component, then this trick gonna work. Okay guys, so guys, when you will see the JHS POWERBAR, you can see there is a one options here. This is called a compose wrapper options. So this tool gonna help you to replace a new model with the existing one. Okay guys, so what we'll have to do, so guys, first we have to click over the icon, okay, compose wrapper, and then press alt and then click over the new model, okay, and then press Ctrl and then click over the existing model to replace with a new one, guys. Okay, so this is the trick. First you have to click over the new model with alt key, and then you have to click over the existing model with Ctrl key to replace.